Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. Okay, for today, we are going to learn about the meaning of the word less than. Remember, the past week was about the same, and this week it was about greater, and now it's going to be about less. So listen up, okay? Here we are.
Less than. Essential question. How can you compare sets when the number of objects in one set is less than the number of objects in the other set? Listen and draw. Directions. Place counters as shown. Trace the line to match a counter in the top 5 frame to a counter below it in the bottom 5 frame. Count how many in each set. Tell a friend which set has a number of objects less than the other set.
Okay, so super easy. You just have to count how many yellow counters? 1. How many red counters? 1, 2, 3. So you just have to trace a line to connect the yellow counter, the only yellow counter, to the red counter. Okay, so right here on this page, the less than number, it will be 1, okay? The yellow counter. Very good. That's less than the red one. Okay, now next page, number 70.
Share and show. 3, 2. Directions. 1. Place counters as shown. Count and tell how many in each set. Trace the numbers. Compare the sets by matching. Circle the number that is less. 2. Count and tell how many in each set. Write the numbers. Compare the sets by matching. Circle the number that is less.
Very good. So in number 1, number 2, we are going to do the same thing. How many red counters in number 1? 3, right? How many yellow counters? 2. So you are going to circle number 2. Why number 2? Because number 2 is less than number 3. On number 2, you have to do the same thing, okay? How many red counters do you see right here? 4. Trace number 4. How many yellow counters? 5. Which number is less than? Number 4 or number 5? You're right, number 4. Circle number 4. Next page. Very good. Okay, right here we have to do the same thing, okay? Listen up.
Directions 3 through 4. Count and tell how many in each set. Write the numbers. Compare the numbers. Circle the number that is less.
Very good. So in number 3, number 4, you have to count the red counter, trace the number. Yellow counters, trace the number. Circle the number that is less. On number 4, how many red counters? 1. How many yellow counters? 2. Circle the number that is less. Okay, that will be number 1. Very good. So that's it for today, everybody. Thank you for coming to class. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.